Hello and welcome to our video. Check this out. We have a 2017 Toyota Camry here, and we're adding a Curt 55567 to it. Okay, this is the towing wire harness. So over here we have the one connection. This is the live wire that will be eventually run up to the front. I haven't done that yet. But what I want to talk about is this inner trunk lining. So there are, I think, what, 5 or 6 clips here. Those ones are pretty easy. You stick a flathead screwdriver. Let me show you what the clip is like. Yeah, you basically stick a flathead screwdriver in between these two pieces, and you bring it up. You bring the top piece up. Then the whole thing just kind of pulls right out. When you want to put it back together, you push it in the hole, push the clip, all done. Simple as that. So once you get those clips out over there, it looks like there are 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. So once you get that out, then you're left with what basically looks just like this. Okay. This one is not that hard. You push it in, and what happens, I can actually peel this back and show you. So what happens, and if you can see that, when you push that in, it actually pushes these little side tabs inward. So it's sprung out automatically, but you basically take that and, boy, this is hard to do one-handed. Yeah, you gotta take my word for it. There you go. So yeah, you push this one in, and when you push it in, it just come out. And when you want to put it back, you align first you have to put the trunk liner behind this weather stripping. Okay, then you have to align this hole, this bottom one, with this hole, then clips right in, nice and easy. But if that's too hard for you, same thing of course on this side, right? You can always just pull it back and it works right there. The grounding point is this one over here. This is the perfect grounding point for it. On the left side, you have a 2 and a 3 pin connector. On the right side, I believe only the 2 pin connector. Okay, and then there is a little plug under the spare tire. And what I did is I slid the thing in there, the little connector, and then I put the plug right over it. And then I put the spare tire on, and then it actually goes out underneath this little plastic skid plate, and I used the bumper clip connection. Hi Scooby, what's up? You my little helper today. Yeah, so like I said, I used the rear bumper clip connection, and I just zip tied straight onto that. Oh Scooby, you want some belly rubs, huh? Yeah. So yeah, that's pretty straightforward. I do have to trim the zip tie and add the live wire and a few other things here and there. I just have to install the hitch as well. But I wanted to show you guys how this is done so that you can do it yourself. When I first went to do this, I was trying to get this clip out, and then I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, that clip right there. I was trying to get that out, and I realized, well, I don't really need to, because it's just this little hook clip right here. So yeah, I hope that helps you guys in installing this wiring harness for towing, or I guess if you wanted to do anything else. If you wanted to know how to take off these clips, you can YouTube it. There's a whole bunch of videos on how to remove the liner from back here. And this clip is identical. Sorry about the sun, you guys. These clips are literally the same as the ones down here. So if you lose one, then I guess you probably just pull one off there temporarily. Or you do what I do and just leave the middle one out. So yeah, that concludes the install of this. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. And yeah. Oh, here's one last thing I should probably show you. Super important that this thing is not dangling super low and getting caught and stuff, because you do have a live wire in here. And you do want this to be securely zip tied. Okay. All right. I'll catch you guys next time.